There's one.
New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, Central
there you go.
in northwestern New Jersey,
That's gonna be edited together.
Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, eastern Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 8 p.m. At 6:43 p.m., intense showers and some embedded severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sterling to near Jordan Valley to near Fleetwood to near Terrace Hill, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. This line will contain little or no lightning. Do not wait until you hear thunder before taking cover.
I heard lightning before, so yeah.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Easton, Newton, Montague, Bethlehem, Pottstown, Dover, Phoenixville, Lansdale, West Norton, Hopatcong, Forks, East Norton, Emmaus, Northampton, East Stroudsburg, Hackettstown,
that's probably why right there.
And Doylestown. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 342 and 347. Northeast extension between mile markers 23 and 55. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 56 and 76. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 25. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 306 and 314. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 38. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority whenever possible, as long as it does not cause.
Nice.
Here is the official national web.